Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today is another day and I'll be talking about the secret to success in YouTube. Here, most people that come here on the YouTube space, they are here to tell us about something new or something they found very interesting or something about their life as a topic that you, the viewer, can relate well with if you really have interest in such topics. And why does it matter? Of course, we have so many people around the world that needs different information. So when you come here on YouTube space, you're likely going to find a solution to one or more of your problems. And if you get one solution from one content creator, you could get another solution from another content creator, which is very important. So as a creator, what are you coming here on YouTube space to do? Now you might have so many ideas on, but you don't know how to go about telling such stories about those ideas or explaining certain things to people. Now, what I want to tell you about how to succeed here on YouTube space is that it's so important for you to go out and make intensive research about the topic you're about to tell people. You make good research, be able to get facts and perhaps figures on what your topic is all about. So when you come to YouTube space, you don't necessarily have to take 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or any long time to explain anything, but just go directly to what matters on that topic. It could be 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, especially if you're new. By the time you're used to presenting 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes videos, when you get used to it, you begin to present 10, 15, 20, perhaps 30 minutes of good and interactive teachings or explaining ideas to people. But what is more important is that you have to have very good research. And not only that, because of the high competition that is there on the YouTube space, you must be able to engage your viewers by producing high quality videos. And not only that, you have to have a very good storytelling technique. It's so interesting to know that storytelling techniques keep people around so they will watch your videos for a certain period of time. It's so important. Don't play with it. If you don't know how to tell stories, you can go about here online. You can find so many resources that's going to help you step by step on how to improve on your storytelling techniques. And I'm sure if you're able to improve it, you're going to like it. However, if you're new, it is going to be the learning curve is going to be steep, but that will not stop you. You need to, of course, learn a bit more of advanced editing, so you bring about a lot of creativity in the editing process so that the entire quality of your video is going to be great. So these are some of the tips I really want to share today for anyone that is coming as that is new on YouTube space and want to grow and grow very fast. This tip is very, very important. You should be able to answer at least a question or be able to solve one problem. You don't necessarily have to solve so many questions. I mean, you don't have to answer 2, 3, 4, 5 questions or solve 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. No, you could just pick a problem or respond to one question. That is enough. By the time you understand the techniques of responding to questions, to yes of questions, or providing solutions here on the space, you'll be able to improve and do more. But when you're starting afresh, you need to take it gradually. And by the time you become an expert, you can take it to whatever length. Of course, by then you have a lot of subscribers that are going to help you improve greatly. So guys, this is great. This is all I have for you today. I don't want to go beyond this. Thank you so much. I wish you subscribe if you have not, and share where you can. Call on people that love this type of tips so that they'll also share in the knowledge so that we grow together by helping each other. Have a nice night. Thank you.